Let's integrate the integral from 3 to 5 of 2x minus 3 divided by square root of x squared minus 3x plus 1 dx. Now, if you note the denominator is x squared minus 3x plus 4, and if you take that derivative, you end up getting 2x minus 3. So we can solve this with a u substitution. So if I let u be x squared minus 3x plus 1, and du would be 2x minus 3, and dx. So what we have is the integral of the square root of u, and then 2x minus 3 dx, that is equal to du. Now change your endpoints from x's to u's. I have a lower endpoint of 3, so u equal 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 1, and that will equal 1. And an upper endpoint of 5, 5 squared minus 3 times 5 plus 1. That's 25 minus 15 plus 1 is 11. So the lower endpoint's 1 and the upper endpoint is 11, and everything is in terms of u. Let's rewrite this integral as the integral from 1 to 11 of u to the negative 1/2 du. Now integrate, add 1 to your exponent, and that will give you u to the positive 1/2. Out front, you have 1 over 1/2, which is 2, and you want to evaluate between 1 and 11. So that's 2 times the square root of 11 minus the square root of 1. And if you multiply through, that's 2 square roots of 11 minus 1. And if you use your calculator, that's about 4.63.